Good morning, children. Today we will start our session with a new chapter, chapter 6, subject verb agreement. But before we start subject verb agreement, let's understand what a verb is. A verb is used to describe an action, state or occurrence. जो verb है वो उसका प्रयोग हम किसी भी कार्य को दर्शाने के लिए, किसी भी कार्य जो हुआ हो उसको दर्शाने के लिए किया जाता है. Every sentence has a subject and a suitable verb. Subject and verb must agree with one another in number. This is called subject verb agreement. In simple way, you can say the subject verb agreement is an agreement between subject and verb, according to which if the subject is plural, then the helping verb used with it should be plural, and if the subject is singular, in that case the helping verb or the verb used with it should be singular. Now look at the example number 1. Suman is washing clothes. Suman. Here Suman is singular, so that's why we have used is as a singular. Now look at the second example we have. They are going to Shimla. Look, they is what? It's plural. That's why we have used are as a helping verb, plural. Now look at the third example we have. She has plucked flowers. She is what? She is a singular, and that's why we have used has with it. Now let's talk about the first rule we have. When two or more subjects are joined by and require plural verb. This rule states that when two or more subjects are joined with the help of and, then the verb used, the helping verb used with it should be plural. Let's look at the example number 1. Ram and Shyam are good friends. Ram or Shyam. Ram and Shyam are two singular what subjects, and we have joined it with the help of and so that's why we have used plural helping verb with it. Now look at the second example we have. The dog and the cats are jumping over the fence. The dog and the cat are both singular, and we have simply joined it with the help of are as a helping verb. Okay, now we'll talk about the second rule. Second rule states that collective noun are considered singular, and hence singular helping verb is used with it. जो सेकंड हमारा रूल है वो ये बताता है कि अगर कहीं पे भी कलेक्टिव नाउन है तो हम उसके साथ जो है सिंगुलर हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज़ करते हैं. वर्ब जो है इट शुड बी सिंगुलर. लुक एट द एग्जांपल नंबर फर्स्ट. हर फैमिली इज़ वेरी हेल्पफुल. फैमिली इज़ व्हाट? फैमिली इज़ अ ग्रुप ऑफ members. That's why we have used singular verb with it. Now let's talk about the second example. Our team has won the match. Team consists of player. Okay, so it is a collective noun, and that's why we have used, according to rule, we have used has as a singular helping verb. Now we'll talk about the third rule. When two or singular subjects are connected by the word or, either or, neither nor, require singular verb. This rule states that whenever you connect any two singular subjects with the help of or, neither nor, and either or, the helping verb used should be singular. So look at the example. The first example we have. Neither Sia nor Ria is coming today. ना ही सिया ना ही रिया जो है आज आ रही है. So look, we have two singular subjects here, Sia and Ria, and we have simply connected it. We have simply connected it with the help of neither and nor, and according to rule we have used singular verb with it, and that is. Now look at the second example we have. Suresh or Harsh is to be blamed for the project delay. Suresh and Harsh is what? They are singular subjects, and we have joined it with the help of or, so that's why we have used singular helping verb, or you can say verb. Now look at the third example we have. Either Samir or Sunil is helping today in the role play. Now we'll talk about the fourth rule. When one subject is singular and other is plural, are connected by the words or, either or, neither nor, not only but also, then look the closest subject to the verb. आपको ध्यान देना है. रूल नंबर 4 जो है हमें ये कहता है कभी भी हम किसी भी अगर एक सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट और दूसरे प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट को कनेक्ट करते हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ और, either or, neither nor, not only but also, in that case जो helping verb use होगा वो उसके जो closest subject होगा उसके हिसाब से होगा. Look at the example we have. Neither my sister nor my father is going to the party. Now we have what? Sisters is what? They are plural, and father is what? It's a singular. We have simply used neither nor with it. In that case, father is close to the verb. That's why we have used is as a singular. Now look at the second example. Either my friends or my brother is responsible for this. Either, we have simply joined one singular and second one's plural subject with the help of either or, so that's why we have used uh, with brother singular helping verb. Now look at the third example. We have neither not only Ayush but also Aryan wants to visit Taj Mahal. Here we have Aryan is what? It's a singular, that's why we have used wants. Now look at the fourth example. Either my father or my brother are going to attend the meeting. Now we'll move on to the fifth rule. Fifth rule states that in case of things made of two parts require plural verb. Two parts, कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ जिसके दो पार्ट्स होते हैं उसे उसके साथ हम प्लूरल वर्ब, जैसे सीजर हो गया उसके दो पार्ट होते हैं, ट्राउजर्स हो गया उसके दो पार्ट होते हैं, शूज़ हो गया उसके भी दो होते हैं, तो उसके साथ हमें प्लूरल जो है वर्ब का यूज़ करना है. द शूज़ आर वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, these glasses are so cool. Now we will move on to the sixth rule. In the case of indefinite pronouns such as anyone, everyone, anybody, everybody, somebody, no one, nobody, singular, singular and requires singular verb. These all things are singular and they require singular verb. Make this sure whenever any sentence starts with anyone, everybody, someone, somebody, make this sure that you have to use singular verb with it. Look at the first example. Somebody is here, everyone has finished their work, everybody is ready to help her. Now hope it's clear. Now move on to the seventh rule. Seventh rule states that when a subject is plural but represent a single figure or quantity, it takes singular verb. Like $10 is a right price, is the right price. 3 kilometer is a exact distance. So make this sure कभी भी अगर कोई जो है सब्जेक्ट जो है प्लूरल देखने में लगता है लेकिन वो फिगर सिंगल होता है तो उसे उसके साथ हमें हमेशा सिंगुलर वर्ब यूज़ करना है. नाउ मूव ऑन टू द एट्थ रूल. सम नाउन अपीयर्स प्लूरल बट टेक्स सिंगुलर वर्ब. लाइक कभी कई बार होता है कुछ नाउन जो है हमें लगते प्लूरल है लेकिन वो सिंगुलर होते हैं. लाइक वी हैव एग्जांपल हियर न्यूज़. News is what? It sounds plural but exactly it is singular. The news is wrong. Physics is my favorite subject. So hope it's clear now. Hope you have understood it well. Thank you.